Okay, wheel number 2 on this Altima. You can see it's curved all through here, up here a little bit, and some more up here. And this one goes pretty far back. I don't know if I can get all of that out. I'll get as much as I can. This one has been repaired before. The factory coating's gone, and they've damaged it again right where it was repaired. As you can see, here's where the factory finish ends to the smooth, polished finish. But I'm just going to go ahead and sand this out with 320 and go from there. Well, I'm getting set up. If you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe, maybe checking out the links below in the description to the tools and products I use. I'm going to get started sanding on this one. Okay, I think stopping at the 320 grit is going to match the previous repair just about perfectly, so that's all we're going to do on this one. I'll scuff it up. I'll get this cleaned up some. And we'll get the clear on here.